Your engine is talking. Used oil analysis can help you listen. I'm Lake Speed Jr., a certified lubrication specialist and oil analyst. My background in engine building, dyno testing, and oil formulating makes me uniquely qualified to help you listen to what your engine is trying to say just by taking a sample of the used oil. For example, a 2002 Porsche doesn't have iron cylinders, but a 2002 Corvette does. Those subtle differences make a huge difference when analyzing the used oil. Formula One and NASCAR teams have an analyst that travels with them to the racetrack to collect this type of data. Speed Diagnostics can do the same for you. From cylinder bore scoring to bearing wear to faulty injectors, 4 simple tests can tell you the health of your engine and your oil. That data can help prevent catastrophic engine failure. Plus, our expedited option provides you results in just 3 business days. Our standard turnaround time is just 6 business days. And all Speed Diagnostics kits come with prepaid USPS priority mail shipping to you and back to the lab. No hidden fees. Everything is included in the cost of the kit when you purchase it. Not only do you receive your results quickly, a PhD isn't required to read the report either. Everything is written in plain English and color-coded. If you can navigate a stoplight, you can read a Speed Diagnostics analysis report. And you have me and my lifetime of experience in your corner. So hear the whispers before they turn into screams. Speed Diagnostics. It's science, not speculation.